I'm at the whole rainforest, Hollow Mosses Trail. How tall these trees are, wow. Ooh, low bridge. I'm not even walking underneath this tree. My head's not even hitting it. Either one of them. This is why they call it the Hollow Mosses. One-way trail. Oh, get a good video of it right there. Alright. It's not real packed today. Only because it's rainy. And it's a Tuesday, I guess. And it's in October. Middle of October. The treetop world. Wow. This is the Hollow Mosses Trail. The whole rainforest, HOH. You people with your dirty minds. And it's the northwest section of the Washington Peninsula. Man, look at this. Big, huge mamma jamba. Yeah, Mother Nature's gonna do what she's gonna do, so I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna plan accordingly. So, yeah, it's gonna rain. Yeah, I did 9 miles at Ozette Sunday. Just over 9 miles at, I'm sorry, Shishi on Sunday, Shishi Beach Sunday. And Ozette yesterday, just over 9 miles. And now I plan on doing, I don't know, 4, 5 miles. Hang on just a second. So I can get the water drops off the lens there. But yeah, I'm gonna do about 4 or 5 miles today. I'm gonna do this one, whole rainforest. And then I'm gonna do the Tree of Life again. Did it a couple times already in the past, but go by there again. And then hopefully, I don't know, if it's like this, and let's see what the conditions are like at the ocean. And then Quinault Rainforest. But yeah, here is. I'll shut up for a bit and just look at this beautiful. That's why it's called the Hollow Mosses. Mosses and ferns and big ass trees. I already seen 2 herds of elk. One on the side of the road and one on the road. Got video of those. You can check them out if you like. If not, hey, that's okay too. But yeah, I wanted to get in a good hike. So we done over 20 miles. Well, does this loop around here or what? Let's see. I think it loops, does it? Yeah, maybe it does. We'll see. Oh, wow. Oh. See him? Hey there, buddy. Squirrel. Well, now I've added a squirrel to the list. Of course, yesterday I saw about 4 or 5 bald eagles at Ozette. And the day before, I saw a couple at Shishi. Almost hit a couple deer yesterday, literally crossing the road there at on the way to Ozette. But didn't. Oh, look at the moss. It's like there ain't no bark on these trees. It's just moss. Wow. Let's get a good panorama view of this. Holy smokes. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. I forgot how beautiful it is here. I wonder what kind of critters dwelling in that hole. Yeah. Yeah. Get a Wolverine! Oh, it's a person walking. But yeah. Wow, so cool. Alright. Trying to keep the screen free, or the lens free of water droplets if I can. Because it is raining. There ain't much I can do about that. Let's continue the hike. Wow, man, this is something else. Oh, look at the size of these trees, though. Holy smokes. I don't want to look up too much, because then water gets directly on the lens. But I'm trying to avoid that. That's where I came from. Alright, let's continue on. These long fallen trees got, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a whole bunch of big trees growing off of it. And here is the famous curb tree here. Man, this place is something else, y'all. Look at that. Just look at all the ferns on the ground, too. It is something else. Got ferns growing up in the trees. Man, this is beautiful. That's why it's called a rainforest. If you look up, well, you can't see it now. I can now. There's clouds or the moisture evaporating up. Starting the process all over. Wow, look at that. Wow, this is a truly, truly beautiful place. I'm so glad I did decide to make sure to stop by here again. Oh, there's some cool, getting up close and personal with the ferns here. Wow. Nice. Totally different perspective. Get over here to Seattle, Tacoma area. If you got the time, spend 2 or 3 days. Come over to the Washington Peninsula. Check out all the cool things here. It's definitely a 2-day drive. I mean, you can drive it in 1 day, but all you'll be doing is driving. 2 days is even pushing it. I'm over for 3 days, and of course I'm doing hiking. I did 18 miles hiking total last 2 days, but you know, I'm only doing just a section up here by Forks, and that's it. And then I'm hitting stuff on the way back home because there's just so much to do. And we spent a lot of time in the peninsula this winter. We're doing all kinds of things everywhere. Oh man, look at all this. This ain't no joke, trying to walk around on this stuff. Man, look at all this out here. I love it. It's quiet. And there's... Oh, I hear the squirrel. There he is. I see you. Wow, this really shows the depth of the... Oh, another squirrel. He's just a squirrel trying to get a nut. By the looks of it, looks like he got it. Wow. Man, it's so beautiful here. Quiet too. It's November, what, 13th? Yeah. Or 12th, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, it's a week after election. So, Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. Sorry about keeping up with the actual dates. I just really don't pay attention. 365 of them in a year. I treat them all the same. Oh, man. So that's the mid part of November. I gotta figure out something to do for Thanksgiving. And okay, let's see if I can get across this. Yeah, not too bad. Since be off Thanksgiving. It's a little mini one growing over lower though. Got a duck under that one. Oh, it's cool down here. Look at all that. Get to that in a minute. Check this right here going across. Not quite the same as the other one, but... Oh, squirrel saw somebody else walking. I hear it. Nurse logs, yep, and that's what these are. Y'all can pause it later. Alright. Man, this is so cool. Man, these trees are tall too. Trying to show it, but don't want to get all the rain on my lenses. Look at that underneath there. Wow. So, oh, look at this right here. Wow. Oh yeah, there's some more elk up here. Oh man. Wow. Hello there. How big do they grow? Wow. 1, 2, there's a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, there's quite a few of them. Oh, that was up on top. Pretty cool. Oh, the squirrel sounds alarm. Pretty cool. That's the third time I've seen elk today now. And I got video of it all. Let's try to get some video from up top here. Yeah, we can see them a little better now. Of course, they're looking at me too. Yep. Well, that's pretty cool there. I was literally 20 feet from elk. I'm going to run them off there, but hey, it is a trail. And they're okay. It ain't like they're hurting for any vegetation to eat around here, that's for sure. Alright. So as you can see, plenty of ferns, plenty of mosses, plenty of rain, plenty of squirrels, and plenty of elk. I ain't saying you'll see elk every time, but you know, hey, they are here. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down. Anyway, hope everything's going well. Get out there and live your best life. Get out there and enjoy nature, people. Later.